perfect Aam Ka Murabba, mango murabba, or you can say mango jam recipe which just gets ready into 15 to 20 minutes. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you Aam Ka Murabba recipe, that is a raw mango jam which you can store up to 8 months to 1 year, which is sweet, which is sour, and it's delicious. So let's get started. Ingredients required to prepare the Aam Ka Murabba are: here I have taken 6 raw mangoes and equal quantity of jaggery. This is the organic jaggery what I have taken. It is generally dark in color. So the darker color jaggery is always preferred to be chemical free, or less or chemical free, completely chemical free. And 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now take a pan and add the grated raw mangoes to the pan. Cook it for 5 minutes. Keep mixing, and remember the flame should be low, very low or medium. Now here I have broken the jaggery and added whole jaggery to this. In case your mangoes are 500 grams, the jaggery also should be 500 grams. Now slowly the jaggery starts melting. You need to keep on stirring, keep on mixing. Keep the flame on low. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, the jaggery starts melting. Again give it a nice mix and close the lid. This way you need to continue it for every 5 minutes. Mix it well and again close the lid. Do it until all the jaggery melts completely and the raw mangoes are cooked well. Now the jaggery is completely melted, the mangoes are cooked well. Here we are adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron strands. Adding saffron gives a nice aroma and enhances the taste of the murabba. Give it a nice mix and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Now close the lid and again cook it for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you can see the cardamom powder is cooked well, the saffron strands have melted and the raw mangoes are cooked well. It's wonderful aroma. It's sweet, it's sour, it's chatpata, the flavors all in one flavors. Off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it is cooled down, you need to store it in a glass container for a longer shelf life. This will retain to 8 months to 1 year. You need not keep it necessarily into the refrigerator. You can keep it outside too. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon and select all, so that I can keep getting the notifications whenever I release my new videos. So the Aam Ka Murabba is ready. You can enjoy this like a spread or like a jam with roti or bread, or you can eat it along with like you eat the pickles. So it's summertime and raw mangoes are into season. Try this recipe and enjoy it. I'll be meeting you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you.